Hello guys, this is Mohammad Mutahir Alam and today we will discuss about my Python assignment. And the assignment is to create a multiple question type quiz by using Python. So before starting our quiz app or open our quiz app, let's go to the problem statement. What is the problem statement for that particular quiz app? This one is the problem details. We have to create a project and set the quizzes and allow the user to take up that multiple choice question using the command line. This one is the main problem statement, and we have to add these features like super user should be able to set up the question and correct answer for that particular question, and super user also be able to add the question based on the topics or and by using difficulty level of that question like easy, hard or medium. And also the quiz should support MCQ type question with single correct option, and user should be able to take up that quiz, and the application should display the final score and the right answer after attempt that quiz to that particular user. By here is the test taker details and the result should be displayed on the screen, and we use Python like to create this whole process, and we use this in our command line. So now we start our quiz app now. We are now in our Python quiz folder. Here we have two files, one is Excel file and another one is .py file, that means Python file. So start our quiz app, we have to run that Python file. So for that I open my command prompt. Now I run giving that much information like mama and fill my details mama. So this comes with a multiple choice type question, and this one is the question, and these are the multiple choice options, and I have to give the answer in A, B, C or D format. Like if the correct answer is list, then I have to give A, otherwise I have to give B or C or D. If I give any other word like H instead of A, B, C, D, again need like kindly choose any one option like ABCD from ABCD, and if I again choose R, again that show me this. Like here is the question, which of these is not a code data type, like D, the class one is not the code data type. If I click on D, it take me to the next, and here is the L equal to list, which data type object below, like it's a list but I give it's wrongly, like I give that B. Then it's take me to the third question. Now I don't go with the question, I just type A, B or C or D. If I click on E, then again show me that we have to choose only A, B, C or D. Now I choose A and C, like B, like A, like B, like B. Okay, I completed the task. It's so like, dear Muhammad Mutahir Alam, your score is 4 out of 12. There is 12 question and my score is 4. And the correct answer for your questions, the question which I gave in wrongly, give wrong answer, then this show me that the correct answer for that particular question, like what data type is the object below L, this one is the list, but I give that time I think string or dictionary something, but the correct answer for that is list. Similarly for all question which I give wrongly answer, then the correct answer is this, like correct answer for that is this one, from this one, every question, and the correct answer is there. And after that it give me a statement like please complete your fundamentals and revisit. Thank you. If this one is the whole, like this one is the whole process which is what happened in the back end, but this in this, so this is my quiz app. Now let's talk about the backend part, what happening in the backend logic, like in backend part. Now let's go for the backend. Before going to backend, this is my Python quiz folder. Here we have two files, like one is Python we question.xls file, like this one is the Excel file, and this one is the .py, that means Python file. So if I open the Excel file like this, Excel file have three sheet, and I name that sheet like easy, medium, and hard. So in easy, we have some question and some right answer, correct answer, and some the multiple choice options. And similarly for medium, that we have a question, answer, and options, and same for the hard, the question, answer, and option. So the Excel file only contains the question set in their difficulty level, which is set by the admin, not the particular user who take that quiz. User only go through the Python file or only go through that particular quiz app. But the admin is set this all question like easy, medium, and hard level. Now let's go for the .py like Python file. In this file, we work with all our business logic from fetching data of this Excel file to complete the quiz task and give the particular score of that particular user and the particular answer which he given the wrongly, and the correct answer for that particular question is also given by this, and the whole business logic is written only this quiz.py file, and this is a Python file. Now open this file. This one is my Python file. This whole is the my business logic. Now let's start with begin. Firstly, I import XLRD module. This is a module which is used to fetch data from Excel file to Python file. Like I create this workbook equal to xlrd.open workbook, and this is my path for that particular file with the file name. And firstly I and firstly I create a method, or I create a function. The function name is the question set. The function takes workbook, that means the whole this file in which the data is stored or in which the question is stored, and the name. This name is about like this name is the level of difficulty, like it's easy or it's medium or it's hard, and the question number, how much question I want to fetch from which difficulty level. Like if the question number is equal to none, then it give me the whole row. That means it will give me the whole questions from a particular set like this. Here I means set easy set equal to question set workbook easy. Here I give the question set, use that particular function, I give the workbook, and the easy, the medium of the difficulty level is easy, and I set the question number to 5. That means only 5 question fetched by from this question Excel file and store in this set easy set. It's a list. And in medium set questions, in medium I just pass only the difficulty level of that question, but I don't give any question number, so it fetches all the question from the medium. How it fetches that? It fetches from this name like workbook.sheet by name. It fetches by name, and the name is which I give it like easy, medium, hard. If we go here, like we mentioned that the sheet name is easy, the sheet name is medium, the sheet name is hard. So it fetches the data according to that particular sheet name and storing it in this particular list like easy set and medium set and hard set. And finally that store all the data in question set like easy set plus medium set plus hard set. Find first fetch all data according to their difficulty level and store that all data in our question set. After that we create a question class. The question class basically take a question and answer and the option, and the default option for every question is true, false, both A and B, and no one, which I give default. And there is no need to give the default if you have already option for every question, but I give that. Now select that question. So this is my question class which take question and answer and the option for every, and it will go through the question set, loop through the question set and create a question class for every question. Then after we have a function like take quiz. it takes if not question set. If the question set is not there, then it will print a statement like sorry we don't set any question for this quiz. That means if we don't have any question set, then it will print this statement. Otherwise it asks the user to take the quiz. Like first the score is 0 and the wrong answer list is empty, and it iterate over the question set. Like for question in question set, and it go to the question class and create that particular question class or question object. Then after it go through that particular object and print the question. Then again it will look through the option, a particular question option. It again look through that and print that. Then after it need an input from the user, and if the answer is matched, then it increase the score. If not matched, then it append that particular question to that wrong list, which we need for further uses. And now before that we have a list of L1, which is A B C D, and we use while loop. Like while answer, the which answer is the input from the user like A B C D or something else, while answer not in L1. Like we use this one like for if any user you in input any user given like y, then y is not in our option, so it takes print a statement like kindly choose any one option or answer equal to input again the answer. It passes you to again input that particular answer like A B or C or D. Then after if you complete or if you pass this while loop, then it takes you to the option part. Like if for I in the D dot option, like the option is here, the option is a set like this type A B C D. It's a dictionary where key is A, B, C, and D, and the value is true, false, both A and B, and no one. So it takes to that place and match your answer. If your answer is matched to the right answer, then the score is increased. Otherwise, your question is append to the wrong list. Like your answer is wrong, then the whole question is go to the wrong list. Then after it is printing your score. This one is for score with your first name or last name or your which details you given. And again it check the young if not wrong. Like if your wrong list is empty, that means you correct all the questions, you given the right answer for all the question, then it print that congratulations dear, your all answer are correct. If the wrong list are something like one question in your wrong list or two or three question in your wrong list, then it will print the correct answer for your questions are, and it iterate through the wrong questions, so wrong list, and print that question with that particular right answer. And the lastly to print like please complete your fundamental and revisit and thank you. And lastly this is printing that word. And here like we have first name last name and what we want, like input do we want to take this or not. If we input like y, then it will take us to that particular take quiz function, and this one is the take quiz function, this one is the take quiz function. It takes me and the all function are executed. Otherwise it will print this statement. It's really an amazing quiz for Python student, and try it once. And this is your details. Thank you for watching this video.